Hey kids, this is Sarah. Sarah's mother has gone to visit her grandmother. She tells Sarah to be a good girl and take care of the household. Sarah sees that there are these rabbits sitting on the wall in three different groups, and she remembers that her mother gives food to these rabbits every day. She, being a good girl, decided to give food to them, but for that she needed to know how many rabbits are here. So Sarah decides to count the number of rabbits and she knows how to add. There are three groups of rabbits and in each group there are two rabbits. So 2 plus 2, 4. There is another 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. In total, there are 6 rabbits. While Sarah was doing this, it took a lot of time and the rabbits were getting very impatient because they were hungry. So, can you help Sarah to count the number of rabbits in an easier manner? Is there an easier way to count these rabbits? Let's see. 2 plus 2 plus 2 gives me 6. Over here, 2 is added 3 times. How many times? 3 times. There is another way in which I can write this. 2 added 3 times can be written as 2 multiply 3. This symbol looks like cross, or we can say X. This is a symbol of multiplication. This stands for 2 added to itself 3 times. Now, how does it make our calculation easier? Well, there are something called multiplication tables which you already know. See, this is multiplication table of 2. In this table, I have 2 multiplied 3 is 6, which was the number of rabbits sitting on Sarah's wall. If Sarah knows this multiplication table, she does not need to add 2 again and again to find out the number of rabbits. She can simply recall the table of 2 and immediately say that the number of rabbits are 6. So, children, multiplication means adding the same number again and again. Look here now. In that case, we were adding 2 again and again, means we added 2 3 times. So, the number which was added is written first. So, 2 was added 3 times. This is 3 times 2. 2 was added 3 times, which gives us 6. So, this is the number which was added. And how many times? This number shows how many times we are adding number. Okay, so 2 3s are 6, or we can say 2 multiply 3. Remember, repeatedly we add the same number. This 2 multiply 3 can also be written as this. This is the number which is added again and again. And how many times is written here. Okay, so this can be written in this form also. Children, do you know we can find 2 multiply 3 using a number line. So I have 2 multiply 3 and a big number line starting from 0. 2 multiply 3 means 3 times 2. So if I take 3 jumps, this 3 times shows how many jumps. So how many jumps? 3 jumps of 2 on a number line, then I will get the answer. See this number. 3 times this shows number of jumps and this number shows the gap. The number which is added repeatedly shows the gap of the jump. So I start from 0. See, the gap is 2. 1, 2. So this is my first jump. And how many jumps we have to take? 3 jumps. Now again we have to take the gap of 2. 1, 2. So I will reach here. Okay. Now how many jumps we have taken? 2. 1 is left. Now again the gap will be 2. So after taking the third jump, I reach here. So the answer is 6. Okay. You can check your answer using a multiplication table also. So what is 2 3s are? 2 3s are 6. So that's all for today. Bye.